In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change FTMO password. If you're locked out or just want to update your login details, I'll walk you through two clear methods and a couple of important notes so you don't get stuck. First, the quickest fix if you can't remember your password. Head to the official FTMO login page in your browser. On the sign-in screen, select Forgot Password. Type the email address you used to register your FTMO account, then choose Reset Password. Now, check your inbox for the reset message from FTMO and click the secure link inside. That link takes you to a page where you can create a new password. Pick something strong, mix upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols, and confirm it. Once you submit, your client area password is updated, and you can sign in with the new one. If the email doesn't appear, give it a minute, then look in your spam or junk folder and make sure you entered the correct email. Reset links can expire, so if it's no longer valid, repeat the process to receive a fresh one. Second, if you're already logged in and just want to change your password proactively, open your FTMO client area. Navigate to your profile or settings page if it's available on your account. Look for a section called Security or Password. There you'll be prompted to enter your current password, then your new password, and save the change. Keep in mind that not every account layout shows a direct change password option. If you don't see it, simply use the Forgot Password method I showed earlier. It updates the same login credential. Before you finish, there's a crucial distinction to remember. FTMO uses separate passwords for different places. Your client area password is the one you use on the website to manage your account and billing. Your trading platform password on MT4, MT5, or CTrader is a different credential, issued for each trading account. Changing your client area password does not change your trading platform password, and vice versa. Manage them separately, keep them unique, and store them securely in a reputable password manager. That's it. Use Forgot Password for the fastest reset, or change it from your client area when the option is available, and remember that platform logins are separate. Take a moment now to update your password to something strong and memorable to you, and you'll be back to trading with confidence.